welcome to the Homefront channel. And today we're going to be looking at some salient points at which you can become rich and successful even in that poor country. People believe that they will get rich or change their poor situation as soon as they relocate to a rich country. Do you know that there are poor people in rich countries also? There are poor people all over the world. This is to show that the rich does not have anything to do with where they live or the country that they come from. We have very poor people in developed countries. We have poor people in Europe and in America. So also we have very rich people in poor countries. See, so it is all about how much knowledge you have. Look at this wealthy man, Donald Trump. He said, "Take away all my money, my properties, everything I have, and throw me into the Sahara Desert. Says, as far as I have my brain, I will come back bigger and wealthier." This is the mindset of the rich. Not everybody will talk this way. You cannot be a lizard in your country and think you will become a crocodile in another country. Because it is a rich man's country, you think you will become rich. You will remain poor even if you sleep in the White House. Success is in the mind. You need to work on your mind. Number one, to change your thinking. Your mind is the energy that your physical body needs to succeed. If you think poor, if you think defeat, definitely you cannot be successful. Neither will you be rich. You must learn how to defeat the wrong mindset. Change your mindset by thinking positive. Think big. Change your psyche by training it to see money and success in your mind. No matter the country you reside, if you begin to think differently, you will begin to pull yourself away from poverty. Number two, start reading books. Books are very, very good. No matter where you live, no matter your country, when you begin to train your mind with books, good books that will motivate you, books that will show you the pathway to success, you see, you will not have any choice but to become successful. Listen and watch the word of God. Listen also to successful people who have written down their ideas in a book. Look for money. Buy books. This is where your success lies. Number three, stop blaming others. You blame everybody around you. When you see a rich man, you say, "This man is corrupt. He got his money from rituals. He got his money from evil ways." When you begin to blame others, how will you now get there when you know and your mind tells you riches is evil? You blame the government. Not everybody in wealth and riches has done bad things. When you blame or talk bad against rich people, you are not going to get there. Begin to talk right. Try to attach yourself to them and see how they have done it, that they become rich and successful. So you can learn from them rather than blaming and causing aspersions on them. Number four, you must start selling. You must sell something if you want to be rich. In that country, you say, "Oh, there's poverty in that country." If you want to take yourself away from that poverty in that country, start selling something. When you just keep spending and spending, you can never be rich. But when you have something you are selling to somebody, the secret is selling goods and services. There are millions of people who need things to consume every minute and every day. Most of these countries, they consume rather than produce. You can take advantage of that by producing something. No matter how small it may look, produce, sell something. Someone will be there to buy it. Number five, go and learn a skill or a trade or handiwork. Do not say you are too old to learn a skill. Do not say, "Oh, it is too expensive." It is never too late to learn. These are the skills that will bring money into your pocket. Carpentry, mechanic, painting, IT, website designers, construction workers, welders, marketers, those in agriculture, shoes and clothes designers. See, you'll be amazed how making money. You can become unstoppable and become rich by learning something. Learn a skill. Education is good. Something interesting, something that people are looking for. And begin to solve problems. People will look for you and they will put money in your hand. God will not rain down manna go and learn a skill. Number 6, strategically change your association. Those people who don't have a future, they talk failure, they talk poor. Leave those associations. Go somewhere else. Start building new association. Start making new friends. Look for them. Be strategic. Go and look for rich people. Go and play golf. Rich people are always playing golf. Go and register in a golf club. Look for other clubs to register in. We have the Lions Club. We have the 700 clubs. We have the Billionaire clubs. Different kinds of clubs. Those recreation centers. People go to gym. Join them and begin to do these things. You will meet with them. From there, you exchange your card. You tell them what you do. And from there, you begin to make friends, business friends. Make friends with them. Associate with them. Or move your business to those areas where the rich people are. Leave that area. Go to the place where business minds are. You can print your own complimentary card, your own business card. Go to those areas and share them. You see them driving in the morning, go to them, give it to them and tell them about your business, the new skill that you have acquired. 7, stop extravagant spending and flashy lifestyle. See, you cannot get anywhere when you are extravagant. All the money you are supposed to be saving to do business, to help your future, you are looking for iPhone. You are looking for Apple Watch. You are looking for jewelries and expensive shoes and clothes. How will you be successful? I have seen young men and ladies chasing after expensive phones, shoes and clothing, jewelries. Build your future with your present reality. What you have now, you begin to save money for phones and those expensive. Save the money for your business. Save the money for your skill and trade. To be rich in a poor country, it is easy. You must be smart with the resources that you have. Ignore extravagancy of Warren Buffett, one of the richest and wealthiest man in the world. He said, I don't have expensive phones. I don't use or drive an expensive car. I don't even wear expensive clothes. The house that I live in is modest. Not because I cannot afford it, but because I have need of the money into proper use. See, rich people don't just dress or put on things anyhow or spend lavishly. You see young men having money and they are spending on alcohol. So these are the areas at which you can become successful and rich even in a poor country. No matter where you are, no matter where you live, you can become successful.